Hi guys, I'm going to present homework presentation 18.7-6, and the problem is the daily demand for Swenson's bakery for fresh bread has a uniform distribution between 300 and 600 loaves. The bread is baked in the early morning before the bakery opens for business at a cost of $2 per loaf. It then is sold that day for $3 per loaf. Any bread not sold on that day is released as day old bread and sold subsequently at a discount price of $1.5 per loaf. And the bakery owner now wanted you to conduct a financial analysis of various inventory policies, which is to bake 500 loaves of bread each morning, which gives a probability of incurring a shortage of one third. The first problem is asking the revenue for selling fresh bread with shortage, and the shortage occur means the bakery sold all of the bread that day. So they so it's 500. Then this revenue is $3 times 500, which is uh one $1,500. The second question is asking the revenue for from selling fresh bread without shortage. Because it's a unit distribution, so uh, there's at least 300 bread that will be sold each day. So the average number of bread sold is 300 plus 500 minus 300 divided by 2, which is 400, and the average revenue daily average revenue is $3 times 400 bread, which is $1,200. And then number three is revenue from selling bread when considering all day. So the probability of the shortage incurring is one third, which is 0.33, and the shortage not incurring is 0.66. And we use the expectation for discrete normal variable or random variable. We got uh, expectation of the revenue equals the probability of shortage times the revenue of the shortage plus the probability of not having shortage times the revenue that we made without shortage, which is one third times 1500 plus two third times 1200, which gives us $1,300. The fourth question is asking the revenue from selling day-old bread. So we know the average number of bread not sold is 200, because the maximum not sold bread each day is 200, and the minimum is 0. So the average number of bread not sold is 200 divided by 2, which is 100. And because we are considering all day, so we have to times this by uh, the probability not incurring the shortage, which is 100 times 0.66, which is 66 bread. So the average revenue we are from selling day old bread is 66 bread times $1.5 per each, which is 99 around $99. Next question is average total daily revenue and daily profit. And the average total daily revenue is just adding up the value we just calculate is 1,300 plus 99, which is $1,399. And the cost of bread each day is 500, because we're baking 500 bread each day with $2 cost, so it's $1,000. And then profit is just use the revenue subtract by the cost. We got $399 as profit. Question six is asking the average daily profit was 600 bread per day. So the average number of bread sold is 300 at least, and plus the 600 minus 300 divided by 2, which is 50 450 bread. And the average profit is 400 times $3 plus 1.5, which is the day owed, and the maximum day owed the maximum day owed is 300, and the minimum is 0, so it's 300 divided by subtract by 0 divided by 2, which is 150 times $1.5, and I think it should be. I think here. I think there's something wrong with this number. This should be. Uh, yeah, it should be subtract. There we go. And subtract the 600 bread we made per day, and which is the cost. We got $375. And the seventh question is the average daily profit with 550 bread per day. And because the average daily profit is in the midway of the policy indicated in number 5 and number 6, which is given in the context. So therefore, the average daily profit for 550 bread is 375 plus 399 minus 375 divided by 2, which is $387. And the eighth question is asking the average daily cost of the loss of the customer and the profit. We know the average shortage with the 550 bread is 60 minus 550 divided by 2, which is 25. And the average shortage with the 550 bread all day is 25 times the probability that uh probability that of incurring a shortage, which is 1/6, which is also given in the text. We got 4.167, and the average daily cost of a lost goodwill is 4.167 times 1.5, which gives us the $6.25. And the average daily profit was 550 bread, and the lost goodwill is 387 minus $6.25. And the last question, I think, yeah, the last question is asking the average daily cost of the loss of customer and the profit for the first policy. And we're just doing the same steps all over again, uh, as as we did for question 8, and we got the the only difference is like besides the dollars or the value of bread, and yeah, and also the probability of incurring the shortage. So we just substitute different values from here to here, and we got the answer for this, and that's it. Thank you.